Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to reinstall a deleted game on your Xbox Series X or S. So if you're on the home screen here and you delete a game or something, to get it back on your Xbox, go to where it says My Games and Apps right here. Then go to See All, and then scroll on down. So if we see games right here, these are the currently installed games on your Xbox. If we scroll on down to Full Library, we can see every game we ever owned or purchased on our account. So we can see all games, then we have owned games, we have games with gold, owned apps, Xbox Game Pass, or subscriptions on the top here. So you can even download your games with gold games each month right here. So if we go back to all games, we can scroll through this list and find the game that we deleted. So just do that. Otherwise, we do have the option to sort by AZ, by letter, console type, sort by date acquired. Otherwise, we can go to hidden. So if we accidentally hit a game, it might be showing up under this list. So typically I just go by A to Z and then scroll on through this list. Otherwise, you do have the option to go to search right here and then just type in the game manually. So I can type in Fortnite and see if it pops up. And then you can select it and then you can download it back to your Xbox. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.